We are
Yeah,
great.
very fine. So, as you know, what is the topic today? Is media fulfill our democracy or not? So, when I listen this word media, there are many thoughts are coming in my mind. Like before 20 30 years ago, then media is not well developed. There are many cases that happen like rape, murder, and robbery cases. And the people of India not aware of the cases because media is not able to aware of people of India. But the media of India is now is developed and the all over the world now aware the all cases like an investigation like other cases. And but there is a famous line ki every coin has a two sides and the media is also has two faces. Now media is a game, playing a game like a TRP. It is only a TRP game. They always want to increase the TRP channels. And and also the media is like a politics now the government of India is buy the whole media channels like they always use the word beneficial and they always show that ki BJP is the only country those who running the India there's no another party rule the India and they never ask the question from Modi ji. They always said that ki Modi ji, what kind of mango did you eat? And there are many news channels in their debate like a Hindu versus Muslim, and they abuse each other. And many people watching the news, what is the impact of our youth? They always said that कि they always said that कि फालतू बातें करते हैं सर.
They are talking useless.
They are talking English and they abusing each other and they throw stones and they beat whole India in front of everyone. And media is a power, but there is a puppet of government and. And as you see that there is a Zomato case, there is a girl, she beat the Zomato boy and the media is ruining his life and boy life is ruin media is ruining his life because media want to increase our TRP. They never show, they don't care about his life. They just want to our TRP and. And media is always show that ki our channel is the number one channel of India. There is no channel in India कि they show our पूरी news सुनाते हैं सर. they पूरी news नहीं दिखाते कहीं.
They don't disclose the full
They don't disclose the whole news.
actual news.
Actual news. So they always show that कि behind news. They never show the actual news. And there is a leader of Dalit. They against speak against the Modi ji. And in midnight they arrested by police in midnight. And this is the impact of against speaking by Modi ji. Modi said that ki jealousy is good for India but not for me. That's why leader of Dalit is arrested by police because he speak by Modi ji. Modi is the Prime Minister of India and he has a power he can't do anything. And I don't know what is the reason of it कि media has a power. What is the puppet of government? And now there was a time when the people use social media, there is a many news was here. And they go to news, they go to LED watching a news. But this time then they saw the news on LED, then they go to social media and check that this news is right and wrong. Now this is the condition of a news channel in India. And I want to say that please show the full news and actual news. Please don't care about this is the right and wrong news. So that's